Okay, so I've taken my data from my cart lab with the cart rolling down, and here's my time, and here's my position. So you notice I started collecting data around 0.3 meters and got to 0.877. Then I did a linear fit here, the blue line, and a quadratic fit, the red line. And you can see the red line kind of looks better, like a better fit. So it does look like we have a little bit of acceleration, but it's a pretty small number down here. 0.0075 is half of our acceleration. I want to show you one other trick with Desmos here. We can plot the residuals. We can ask it to plot the residuals. So at time 6.81, what does the equation give me and what's the data? And so you'll notice here with the blue, the data dot is a little bit above that line, whereas the red, it's almost identical. So I'm going to zoom in here just for a moment. We're going to change our y-axis, and we're going to stop. It looks like we only need to get about 0.05. So let's bring this back up to 0.05 here, 0.05. And there we can see the residuals really clearly. And the blue is definitely, we have way off here. When we see that curve, that leads us to believe, yes, it's going to be some kind of quadratic. Now we notice with the quadratic, we even have some kind of curvy sine curve or something going on here. That could just be the uncertainty in measurements, or it could be that the ramp is actually not consistent. In the middle of it, at around 0.5 meters, which is where we got there at 8 seconds or so. So right around here, the middle of the ramp has an extra set of legs. So it may be that one was pushed up a little bit. So that's just a quick look at our results, and it looks like it's pretty close to zero acceleration, but it does have a slight positive acceleration. So there is a slight downhill slope to it.